Hey, my name's Jarod.bleijerveld, and this is one of the episodes I filmed on a long weekend truck camping with some of my friends in Northern Ontario. Subscribe and like the video to stay tuned on the next episodes and my further camping adventures, but in the meantime, enjoy, and I hope to see you back again.
Normally low degradation Grand Prix at Sochi. Point. Getting a replay of Valtteri Bottas coming down into turn 2 and goes through the run up on the exit of the corner. Sergio Perez is now on a good lap. He's done the fastest first set pit, so whether he'll then go out on a new set of intermediates or not.
Hash browns, Beyond Meat sausages, these things. Not too shabby. Some eggs. Not too much for us.
Position, so that's not still one more lap. It isn't ready for slicks yet, but it doesn't look a million miles away at some points on the circuit. Onto the brakes into turn 2 where it does look
I don't have to do any scrubbing.
Hamilton and Q5 was still 12 seconds away from the
Yeah, same.
inside all muddy. Turn 9, then a 90 right at turn 10.
Boom!
Pretty much every corner here, 90 left or a 90 right.
Pursuit.
Norris is third, Alonso has gone up into 4th place, 5th is Stroll, 6th is Perez, Ocon. He's really strong in the wet, Lando Norris.
And that's my
From
breakfast.
the driving side, and right now he's a long
Looks
way
alright.
ahead of...
Alrighty, good morning. We're at the camping spot here, right down by the water. It's a pretty sweet spot. I don't know, pretty good sleep. It's nice and warm in the truck, which was nice. Brought a bunch of blankets and everything. Yeah, I think we're gonna go fishing for a bit. We're gonna go to the other side of the lake and see what's over there because there's no roads or anything. So we think it's just a lot of swamp. But yeah, we get some nice shots of around here, and you'll see it in here. So we'll get on with the day. Might switch to the GoPro and get on with it.
Hello. Look at that.
Yo. Nice. That is wet. Yeah, I'll move my truck over.
Everybody seatbelts on?
Nope. Negatory.
I got that on video too. Jeez. Yeah, I swear there was less water here yesterday.
We're just out on a little adventure with the truck. Simon wanted to go driving, see some trails, so we're doing that, and now we're going over some rocks. So very fun.
With Will just mossing in the back. Okay, I'm gonna walk in front and then get you going back. Whoop! Hey!
This one, flaked light tuna, garlic hot pepper.
Where's that hot sauce?
Okay, Simon, run us through what your lunch is here.
It's got some ham, hot sauce, a couple of Doritos on the tortillas.
I want to see first bite impression. No mayo though.
No mayo. Not the special sauce. The mystery sauce. It's like a crunch wrap.
Thoughts?
Very good.
Alright, so it's been a little bit, but we're gonna go out on the canoe, do a little bit of fishing maybe after some lunch, so should be fun. Here. Sign. Hold this weather. Quick. Okay, Nickelback, don't yell at me. Oh!
This song's a banger.
No sudden movements, guy.
It scares you though. Whenever it jolts like that, you're like, oh shit.
This thing's tipping.
Only 230. Yo,
Vlog time.
down there.
Where?
Got it all
Yo,
situated.
dude, that's Bitchel down there.
Call him. You want me to
Important.
lift it?
I'll
You
just
got the handle?
We'll just do this. Yeah.
Or we can turn it off right away. We
What?
gotta move it. We gotta take it off the burner.
Why?
It just gotta sit in the water.
Oh.
It's a minute race. Like that's why I was saying it's too much water.
Mix it though.
Tuna steaks, rice. Yeah, we're laughing. You guys got some big old steaks too.
I'll do mine first.
Oh, look at that. Someone's having steak for dinner. So the reason I put oil and butter is because oil burns at a higher temperature.
Margarine doesn't burn though. It's only with butter you have to mix oil.
Oh, I'm so used to doing. Oh, pretty tasty though. Try this.
That is good.
Yeah, it's not like fish.
It's actually really nice.
Yeah. I mean, I overcooked it, but what? I'm just gonna give you a bit because I want to cook the rest first. It's a little soupy too.
Big porridge.
There you go. Can't see anything. Tuna steak rice. Alright, so a little summary of the afternoon. Will's, one of my buddy, his friends happened to be over like 2 minutes down the road or something, and we found out over like Instagram that they were down there, so we ended up going. They came down here, visited us, and then when they got here it started like pouring rain, and we just we put up this tarp, kind of hang out, watch a movie on my iPad because I brought that downloaded movies. So we did that, and then I didn't film too much of dinner, just cooking, not talking to the camera, just because we kind of cooked in a rush and everything. But yeah, this day's been pretty good, fun, nice and relaxing too. We went out on the canoe, which you've seen some shots of. But yeah, I think the rest of the day is going to be pretty chill just because it's so wet, like there's puddles everywhere. So I don't think we're having a fire tonight just because of how much rain there was. Like it poured we watched the whole movie, hour and a half, 2 hours, and it was like coming down pretty hard the whole time. So I don't think we'll be doing too much wood burning tonight. So yeah, it's a pretty good day. The guys are going to do some fishing. I'm going to get some shots, bring a chair down there, hang out. So yeah, it's 6 o'clock. I mean, we started making dinner at 5. It's not too bad, so see what we get up to next. But good day so far. Hopefully the rain holds off for the rest of the night. And I don't have to wear my Birks anymore. And I can get my feet warm tonight because Lord help me if I can't warm up my feet because they're chilly. Bundled up, and then I got open-toed shoes like a psychopath. So hopefully. So yeah, sorry for the lack of update. We just ended up playing some cards, hanging out, because it kept raining, so we just hung out under the cover. Not a whole lot, but good day. Went by really slow, which is kind of nice, but yeah, it's a little cold. We're going to try and get some sleep. It's like 10:30, and see you guys in the morning for breakfast, so good night.
Thanks for tuning into this week's video. To catch next week's, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and like the video, and I'll see you next week.